Eggman, though. There's always a little shine on his nose, you know? There it is! That's funny, though. There you go. Oh, we should also do this, though. We can actually see Wreck-It Ralph. Oh my gosh! Oh yeah, we should also put the ear, though. Usually it's kind of like this. Shortcut, make it time. Oh, I love shortcuts in Mario Kart. But it's supposed to look like a shortcut. It is a shortcut. Okay, actually, somebody can actually just go waltzing in here. You know, yeah, that stuff. Is this the whole track? It looks graceable though. Wait, no, it doesn't. Not yet. It doesn't. Not yet. It does. Let's see. Not yet. It still does. What? What are you talking about, Classic? Well, I am the master of surprise. Oh, he is. Oh, he's the master of disguise. Ooh, let's see how much that is. Dirt, dirt, mm, 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 mm. You stop. Hey, Pan, this is what I think. Ah, I always will make kind of a little sign that has a clip here. Like if it feels like if I feel like it. Yep. Wait. Ooh. Ooh. Boss. You too. There we go. Just a little bit more. Just open this. There we go. Sure. You. Okay. No, this is actually there's actually a little. Yeah, just checking shit. Oh, there ain't no sound. Well, that's convenient. That's very convenient. Oh, in fact, so convenient. But there's two different roads you can go down. Now it's a whole path. Oh, Sonic has a mustache. I'll fix that for you. There you go. Usually, I think Sonic's mustache is supposed to start kind of right here, so. Shortcut, please. Yep, I think it's ready enough. There you go. We have a little bit more wider space to run in. I think so. Yep. This cat is almost completely. I think that's what I should do is like a zoom down and inspect. So far, there's no items yet, but at least the thing's going up very good. So what do you about the items and it's gonna be a little crash fest. We got shortcut. How is the first ever shortcut in Mario Kart Kodu history? Yeah, let's someone actually gets on like an item here. There's gonna be no items where the shortcuts are. But it's going on the blue part where Sonic's face is over here. It's gonna be like an item over. It's right here. That's where the only item is. Screw it. Ah, shut it. It's a 1. Yeah, there's no actual path to go on, so that's why. The reason you have no item, that's why I'm doing this to you. It's still a beautiful dude. That's cute. That's cute. Awesome! Am I still recording? Am I boring you? Oh, here's what he is. I'll be back. I don't know what I'm doing here, but you know, I'm not good in math and all that other stuff. But right now, I'm gonna be idioticness and we. Okay, the computer's running slow. What's happening? No. Run, dumb math. Oh, dumb raffles. Oh, they can't make a good joke out of words. Oh no. 27 plus 14. Yeah, I want to see. Let's see. Start. I didn't even realize I was eating chicken soup. That's the only first part. Ah, this is easy. One time 24 Tail says everything that I'm bored. If I'm boring you, please say why yeah. Why yeah? Happening. Oh no! Oh no! I'm stuck! I have one way to go. No! I was stuck anyway. We are back! Okay. This is not the character organization we wanted. Oh yeah, it's just gonna be a fight towards finishing this way. Okay, so it's good. We did it. Okay, different all. Different this. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Is it the same order? Oh my gosh, it is. Yeah, Mario Kart's backwards. West Elite, not reference anyway. Oh wow, that's the only thing that's recently. These two do the same exact dance. Oh, so that's right. PRS with no item. I is spelled capital. Mario Kart Sonic Stadium so far. What's up, duck? I'm now gonna make you rap for yourself. Whee! No, this is really funny. Yes, this is one of the old profiles. Watch. Dirt. Yeah, I'm pretty annoyed by the Don't, don't. No, same controls every time. Drifting, nope. Jumping. That's pretty funny. Watch. There's no yellow circle. Wait, there is. And Turpin's on moment. You know, it's the same order every time. Oh wow, teleport. This, this is it for your board. Yeah, very funny.